I'm going to Toronto. I was like, you know what? I realized I have free will. So basically, today's Saturday night. I'm getting ready, okay? Yesterday morning, on Friday, so my brother went to Cabo with his girlfriend for about a week, but they were flying from Toronto, not from Ottawa. So I live in Gatineau, which is like right next to Ottawa. So anyways, as they were coming back, they stayed one night at this cute hotel. It's like a new hotel. It was like really cute. It was all red inside. I was like, I need to go to that hotel. And so I booked it for tomorrow, which is Sunday. So I haven't been to Toronto in a while. The last time that I was there was with my friends in fall of 2023. Oh my gosh, gonna be there just for 2 nights. I was gonna stay 3 nights, but then I have a dentist appointment and I'm like, you know, I'll just go to my dentist appointment. Guys, I'm red because I just waxed. I just colored my hair. I tan because I was like, why not? And I love a pretty hotel, so that's where I'm going. I love filming cute videos. I'm back into filming. I decided to take the bus though, because I took the bus recently to go to Montreal to like fly from there, and the bus was like really easy. It was like just 2 hours, like, you know, it didn't take longer to like, you know, drive or train. The bus was totally fine when I took it. So yeah, tomorrow the bus leaves at 7 in the morning. Put this on. My skin is still struggling. I'm gonna do the La Roche-Posay. This is the Cicaplast. I went back to like an old favorite, something that I know. For today, I'm just applying this cream everywhere. I will do this one on my problem areas. Just 2 nights now. Like, I had so much to pack. Why am I so high maintenance? I'm gonna be super white, so I'm gonna have to stop filming because I'm gonna look a little scary with this cream. Anyways, I'm all white here, but I'm gonna let you go because I want to be in bed fairly soon, and I'm excited to take you along on this little journey. I try to do maybe a little something every month. I mean, sometimes it's not always possible, you know, but something like this, it's not very long, it's not very far. A change of scenery is good. So yeah guys, I will see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is 6:20 in the morning. My mom is actually on her way. She's gonna take me to the bus because she didn't want me to go by myself. So I might stay an extra day because she was like, you know, it's really not that long. Maybe you want to stay an extra day, maybe you want to cancel the bus to come back. So we'll see. Did not really sleep that much. So anyways, but I showered, did my skincare, I'm ready to go. Okay guys. I made it, but I'm here. Anyways, okay, basically this morning my mom actually dropped me off at the bus. I thought it was a bus. It was actually more of like a little shuttle. Anyways, it was fine though. It was fine, but it dropped me off here. She's like 30 minutes away from, is this my Uber? From where I need to go. No, that's not my Uber. So I'm at the Yorkdale Mall. I don't really know, but my Uber is gonna be like a 30-minute ride. So I think I'm taking the train to come back. I'm kind of cold, but it's not that cold today. But yeah, I made it. What is this, Centra? 7, okay, that's my Uber. Finally made it. Oh my gosh, it is 1:12. So yeah, this morning I had a really early morning, but it was fine. But yeah, the shuttle that I booked, I thought it was gonna be like a full-on bus, but no, it was a shuttle for like 15 people, I guess. But it was fine. I slept most of it. It was fine. Alright, so this is the hotel. It's called the Revery. Personally, I'm a Hilton girl. You know, if you always stay in like the same kind of brands of hotel, you get points and all of that. So this is like a new Hilton hotel in Toronto. Actually, the guy downstairs said they had been open for like 8 months. It's like theater themed, and yeah, my brother stayed here. I think I told you. Anyways, the hotel is so cute. Now, if I had a bathroom like this, okay, for me bathrooms are super important, especially like I really like to film like little makeup videos and stuff. If I had this bathroom, I would be a TikTok star. This is like the perfect bathroom. This is my dream bathroom, my dream lighting. This is so cute. This is the little shower. So anyways, I'm so excited. I'm gonna refresh my makeup. I'll give you a room tour. The weather, not that nice. I honestly thought it was gonna be like a different country in Toronto. No, there's snow everywhere. It's wet everywhere. So I think I want to go at like a Rexall or like a Shoppers Drug Mart. I want to get a few drugstore makeup things, like some new stuff that recently came out, because I want to do some little videos with it. I want to grab a little something to eat. So that's the plan. Just give you like a tour. Okay, so this is the door. Honestly, I love a cute, I love a cute hotel, okay? I live for a cute hotel. Anyways, I put my little coat here, and then my little, these are so ugly. So anyways, then here, I'm gonna make myself a little coffee. And then look, the whole room is like red. Oh, and yeah, I guess these are like old Hollywood stars. I love these lights. I want to get some lights like that for my house, like round. I saw some on Amazon. Anyways, so this is it. And then they're like, hello Chloe. And then yeah, everything is just so pretty. And then oh, this is another, look at that little reading light. And then a big, so I can do a little outfit of the days here. And then look at this beautiful couch, so pretty. And then we have the wonderful view. I was looking at apartments on my way here. The CN Tower is very close. Very close. I don't know which way, but like I think it's like around there. I don't know. I saw it. Yeah, that's my room, guys. Isn't it cute? So I'll film a little room tour. I'm gonna call my parents, let them know, even though my dad tracks my location very closely, so he knows that I'm fine. But you see, these are the kind of lights that I want. Do I unpack? I don't really want to unpack. Hi guys, so I filmed my little TikTok doing my makeup. I did it really quickly. I edited it and I'm posting it now. I did all that in like 30 minutes or something. I charged you for a little bit. Now I'm gonna go. Well, my video is uploading, so I just want to wait until the video. I don't know why it's taking so long to upload. Love this lighting. I want this bathroom. I had also this little light, the you know, this little light, the Alex Earl light, like on, I have an Octo Buddy on this light as well. I just put it there. I'll show you. And I filmed my video and it was so cute. So we're ready. This is what I'm wearing. I've been wearing these Uggs for a month and they look like this. I'm wearing activewear. I'm not gonna say that I've given up. Anyway, so it's from Aritzia, the coat. I bought it a few years ago and it's really great. I mean, at first I was like, I'm not gonna wear this, but then here I am. We are on our way. Okay, let's go for real. 2:47. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm walking. I think I'm on my way to the Eaton Center. I put it on my little GPS. So yeah, we're gonna walk. We'll see how long it takes me. So we're at the mall. It's like 5:30. Look at how cute. It is slightly overwhelming though. Just looking for the Sephora. Actually, I think it's upstairs. Anyways, it's very busy here. I found the Sephora. The top floor is definitely less hectic, which I like. But okay, let's go to Sephora quickly. I just got home. It's 6:21. I'm exhausted. I honestly didn't do a lot of shopping, which is perfect. My shopping experience was quite okay. I've been to Toronto many times and it never felt hectic to me, and I came here in the winter. Last time that I came here, it was in November, so it was not like fully winter yet, and it was so nice. Like, it was not super cold, there was no snow. Anyways, it was perfect. But I also came in February, where usually like there's a lot of snow in Ottawa and stuff, and here, to be honest, it was just really nice. But today, so I left the hotel. I walked to the mall, to the Eaton Center, and I put my GPS, but then I guess I missed a turn, and then instead of the GPS being like, oh no, go back, it made me go around. So I walked for like 20 minutes just to come back on the same street. Anyway, so I walked for a very long time. I feel like I walked for an hour to get to the mall. My hands were frozen, and then it was quite hectic, I'm not gonna lie. There was so many puddles. It was super slushy. I mean, it's fine, I'm happy that I did it. My feet got wet from the puddles. These Uggs, I hate these boots. Then I was at the mall, I was so hot in them. Anyways, but then there was no way I could have walked with some sneakers. As some people walking with some sneakers, my sneakers would have been drenched. I could have brought my combat boots, but I didn't. But I've been to the Eaton Center many times, and usually I find it's fine. It was so hectic today. I don't know if I was tired. Maybe I spent lots of time last year like in Miami, and Miami is not really hectic. Like shopping is never hectic. I don't know why. It's like a big city, but it's not hectic. But today I felt like Toronto was hectic. Am I happy that I went to the mall? Of course. Do I want to go back tomorrow? No. I went to Aritzia, like all these stores in the mall, and I went to Aritzia. But look at the back. Now, something that maybe you don't know about me, I used to have a really big gap in between my teeth when I was young, but then I got braces. Look at how cute. Now, what I do love about Toronto is that there's an Aritzia store. There's a TNA store. Is there a Babaton? I didn't see it. There's a Wilfred store. It's just, you know, nice. If they don't have your size on one store, they're probably gonna have it. Got 2 things, and then yeah, there was like a nerds event. I think that's why I was like, there was a lot of stuff going on. Anyways, they were giving free candy. You know what it reminded me of today? The mall. You know the show 16? I think that's what it's called. Whatever. It was like a Canadian like cartoon show. And you know how fun the mall used to look like in that in that TV show? That's what the mall looked like. I finally, oh my gosh, they had it. The Mario brush. I want to wash my hands before I open this, but the Mario brush, and then I got 2 things at Aritzia that I'll show you, and then at Victoria's Secret. I love, like, I do the same stores. Love Victoria's Secret, but I was out of this lotion. What I really wanted to do is go to Italy, I think it's called. Last year when I came with my friends, we went there, and it's such like a cute little, like, not coffee shop, but it's this like Italian restaurant. I love a restaurant that's like a coffee shop, but they have sandwiches and, you know, that kind of stuff. I wanted to go there, but then I couldn't figure out where it was. Like I said, I walked for an hour to get to the mall. I took an Uber to come back, but so I didn't go there, but that's what I wanted to eat. But I went to this cute little place, and I had like a sandwich. It was a Danish sandwich. Not my favorite thing that I've ever had, but it was my first thing that I was eating today, and it's still the only thing that I had today, and so it was good. And a latte. I filmed a few TikToks, and then my phone was dying. I called my parents. The F4 that I wanted, and I knew it was the F4, but then I saw the F1. I was like, oh, I guess it's the F1 that I want. And I just looked online on Sephora. The F4 was actually in stock, so how did I not see it? I'll go downstairs for food. Yeah, I'll just go sit at the bar or something. I'm gonna put on my same little top, and then I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna shower, do my skincare. Oh my gosh. And then I did my little haul. I got a little tank. I got the home stretch. And then that was not even in my cart. Like, my cart at Aritzia is so big, you know, like online. This was not even in my cart, but somehow I got it. It's a Martine top. It's like a really plungy top. I was like, you know what? Let me do it. First, I'm not going to show you too much of my outfit. I started my period today. I feel bloated, so it's not the best day to be wearing leggings and a tight top. But it's alright. I'm going to go eat. Okay, let me spray a little, one little spritz of perfume. This is the prettiest restaurant I've ever seen. Okay, so this is the first thing that I got. This is the steak tartare. So I'm quite excited. dinner. I asked for it to be cut, so I should have gotten a salad. I didn't think to ask. It smells so good in here. Like, what is this, girl? I've been here for, I didn't even spend 2 hours in the room. It was the cutest girly pop restaurant ever. It was so cute. The camera didn't do it justice. The pictures didn't do it justice. It was just pink. It was so pretty, but like done really, really well. Sometimes when things are made pink, it's a little tacky, you know, but this was done so well. Such a cute girly pop restaurant. If you don't like going out to eat on your own, honestly, it's really not that bad. So the restaurant was empty in the beginning, and then there was like a few groups of like girls. There was like a group of 2 guys as well that wanted to watch the game. Anyway, so there, you know, a few people arrived, and yeah, it reminded me of when my friends and I came for a little girls trip in Toronto, like when I saw the groups of girls. But me, I'm totally fine that I was alone. Like, it was such a last minute thing for me, and I'm just here to film my little videos, relax a little bit, and you know. So yeah, eating alone is really not that bad. It's really not. I enjoy my time. The food, I should have made other choices, but whatever. I brought back half of the burger. I'm probably gonna eat it tomorrow. Such a fun little day. I mean, my day started early. If you feel weird doing things on your own, which before coming on this little getaway, I was like, oh, I'm afraid I'll be lonely. My mom was like, you'll not be lonely. You won't be lonely. I love doing things on my own, but sometimes I'm afraid to be lonely because I don't like the loneliness feeling. I got no time to be lonely, girl. I filmed so many TikToks today. So that was my little day. That was my little dinner. It was the cutest restaurant. I need to come back with my friends because it was so cute. So yeah, eating these, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of regret my dinner choice. I hate when I don't make good decisions when I go out to eat. Ordering for me is so difficult. I prefer when somebody else orders for me. I was by myself, so because sometimes I risk being disappointed. I don't like being disappointed with my food, you know. Tomorrow I'm gonna take the pasta. I think there was some lobster pasta. I should have just gotten that instead. Like, I got an appetizer and I didn't need that. It was 2 breads, but I didn't know the steak tartare was gonna come with bread. They're actually good. It's kind of like chewing a gum and you're eating a piece of candy and it's sticking to the gum, which is actually kind of nasty when you think about it. I was telling my parents how kind of overwhelmed I was today. I was like, you know what, I don't want to move here. Usually when I come here, I always want to move here. It was hectic near the mall, you know where Eaton Center is, where there's like more like, not billboards, you know, it's not New York, but like there's more attraction, you know. There's this guy that came to me without asking, kind of with his camera. He was like, oh, what's a French taco? And every time somebody points a camera at me, I'm like, I'm okay, thank you. As if like I'm not recording. But no, I do not like when people put their cameras on me, like at the mall, or they're like, oh, you want to see, like it's happened before where the guy was like, oh, what are you wearing today? I like your outfit. I was like, oh no, thank you, I'm okay. But like, I'm okay. Why do I say? Anyways, maybe I need to explore other malls. Don't get me wrong, I still love Toronto. I love Toronto. It's just today I got a little overwhelmed, but because I think the winter. But in Yorkville, yeah, I think Yorkville is, I mean, it's expensive. That's why I like it. I think Yorkville was really, really nice. Last time when I was there with my friends, our hotel was near there. And it was just nice. There was the whole run through. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go in the shower now. So I did my skincare. I'm all creamed up. I have the La Roche-Posay like cream, like white cream on. So that's why like it leaves like a, it's like a really thick one. But my skin feels really irritated. So I think that's gonna be good. And yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I am so tired.